We are here at Moore's RV, and right now we're going to walk you through the Winnebago 2401RG. This fiberglass unit has a beautiful front fiberglass cap, which is also white, which also helps keep the unit a little cooler because it's going to reflect those sun rays, and it's also going to help this front cap look the same way for the lifetime of the RV. So the front cap will always look great. You also have your rock guard right up front, so while you're towing this vehicle, any rocks, debris that is hitting the front will be deflected so that it doesn't hurt the front fiberglass unit. Up front, we have our full pass-through storage with the magnet hinge, which is a lot better than those plastic clips you'll see out there. I'm sure plenty of you have broken a million of those plastic clips, and the magnet hinge really fixed that issue. Full pass-through storage with light in there as well, so if you're working at night or you're getting some things out at night, you will be able to see what you're doing, okay? As you can see, the full fiberglass side with the flat sidewalls, it looks great. A lot easier to keep clean than your aluminum sided units because you don't have those crevices and cracks that you have to worry about. We have our outdoor speakers. So for outdoor entertainment, we can jam our radio while we're grilling out and having fun. We have our LED awning light that's going to provide some good light right underneath the awning here for our get-togethers, okay? We have some power outside as well as a coaxial, so if you want to bring a television outside and watch the game or the race or whatever the case is, you do have the coaxial outside so you can bring a television. This does have the double door entrances, okay, with a nice grab handle here on the back door as well. And I want to show you the back because this one does have the built-in ladder, which is a nice attachment. We do have our tire, our spare tire here. So we have some extras on the back of this Winnebago. So if you know anything about Winnebago, they always go above and beyond, and that's why you'll see a little bit more features typically on the Winnebagos. You'll see a black tank flush, outdoor shower, and all of our normal hookups right here on the back. But the back tank flush is awesome because you can hook a hose right up to this bad boy, and what that will do is there's a sprayer system located inside of your black tank, which is your pee and your poop tank, so that whenever you're cleaning that baby out, it's sprayed out so you don't have to worry about any residues being left behind. So that's a good plus. Let's jump on back into the inside here. And we'll head right into this back door of the Winnebago, right into the kitchen area. So you notice as soon as we jump in, we do have our double door Dometic fridge freezer. Does run off of propane and electric. So you have the good size fridge freezer combo here for you. Okay, good amount of counter space here in the kitchen. We have the stovetop with the stovetop cover. So whenever we're not using the stove, we can cover that and use it for more counter space. And then we also have the oven here. So check that out. Good size RV oven. And then we have the 3-burner stovetop. All right. Beautiful drawers, beautiful full extension, all wood, stainless steel hinges, and you'll check that out. Beautiful drawers. You can feel that they're not chintzy or cheap. I mean, I know you've been in some of the RVs where you open the drawer and it feels like cardboard. You won't feel that in a Winnebago. Same thing with these drawers up here. Real solid, very nice. Okay. Here on the sink, we have the stainless sink. Double sink with our sink covers for more counter space. You can also use that as a cutting board. So we're not using it as a sink cover. We use it as a cutting board, vice versa. So dual purpose there. We'll take a look at our couch. Very comfortable couch. Nice long couch directly across from our television. So we have good viewing angles. We don't have to crick our neck to watch TV and everything like that. So this couch also will turn into a jackknife sofa sleeper, which typically sleeps 1, maybe 2 adults. So if you have some friends or family coming, you do have some extra sleeping area. Over here in the the booth dinette right by the television, so we still have good viewing angles if we want to watch TV and play cards or watch TV and eat. We have a good way to do that. This table will also drop down and turn this into an extra sleeping area. So if you have friends or family, you will have 2 different sleeping areas that they'll be able to sleep in. Coming towards the back, you'll notice we have this nice big little pantry, kind of, not really pantry, kind of storage closet here. So you got a big storage closet for any of your bigger items that you're going to bring. So that's a nice little addition there. AC is ducted through the roof. Your heat's ducted through the floor. So you're going to have an even coverage of heat and AC all the way through this RV. So you don't have to worry about hot and cold spots here in the RV. And then you also see up here in the top, we have our built-in speakers. So you have the entertainment built right into the roof as well. So that's pretty awesome. Jump into the bathroom here. Okay, we have a double door bathroom, so you can get into the bathroom from the main bedroom or from the living area. We have the corner shower with the glass enclosure. I'm 5'9", 5'10", to give you an idea of how much headspace you have here in the shower. So you have a good sized shower here in the Winnebago. We'll jump out, you got your sink, stainless steel sink. You still have all of your goodies, some places for storage. But one of the cool things, porcelain toilet with a foot flush, okay? So you have the nicer toilet. It's not plastic. It's not going to hold smells. It's not going to hold chemicals. So you have a much nicer toilet here with the porcelain toilet. I'll meet you in the bedroom. So here in the bedroom, we have a nice size queen bed. You have plenty of headspace back here, okay? And you'll see outlets, USB chargers right here, right next to the bed. So you do have that right next to the nightstand. You have some drawers, good amount of storage space here in the bedroom. So you really have a nice bedroom, full walk around, access to the bathroom, and you have another door. So check this out, another door. So right here in the Winnebago 2401, you have the two different doors, one up front, one in the back coming into the bedroom. So very easy to access your unit. Okay, so hopefully you like this RV. It's definitely it weighs 5,100 pounds, unloaded roughly. So one of your lighter units that you can tow around. It's got all the amenities. So if you're a couple out there looking for a good coach, make sure you look at the Winnebago 2401RG because it's definitely a nice floor plan. Also, comment below some of the different features that you like, and we hope you enjoy this video. We appreciate you for watching the video. So if you like what you saw, make sure you subscribe to our channel, visit our website, or you can just watch some more videos and enjoy the rest of our channel.